Yeah, doors are closing. Okay, still continue my journey to Buxton on the smelly 150. I don't even like these ones. They're the useless trains in the world. They're not fit for purpose, man. They've been running since my time.
Welcome aboard this Northern Service to Buxton.
Buxton.
Station stop is Stockport.
Would really do non-stop after the station, but it varies the timings. Down the bottom is the former Midland Main Line to Ammergate. The line's now freight only. They still use it for charter services, steam charter services between their journeys. And I got a funny feeling now. I think the Midland, the steam charters are going to go more bad to worse now. They've already bought the unusual carriage stock. West Coast Railway bought the unusual carriage stock to fit for air brakes. Oh, okay. There you go, good time. I did that once when I was that bloody jump on Zella.
Stop is Stockport. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Why is it John? I'm going to get my hands on you. Because you've got the bloody tongue. I'm going to get my hands on you. I swear I can touch your belly. I'm going to use your brilliant iron pants. Because you've got the bloody tight tongue. Yes, you did. Nice one, mate. That was what I was told that when you were supposed to say, you'd be like, listen, that was jackass. When I find out who you are, I'll kill you. Oh, yeah. That's my favourite one, also. Yeah, I had to focus on my target yesterday. I hope Nat won't forget. Everyone forgets sometimes. I've done different ones now on the Buxton Line now, day and nights. Approaching Duffos, the last station before Buxton. Oh, that's handy. They got a destination board now. Think about when your next train's due. That's handy. All the time when you're on the station looking. It's not off. Anyways. Well, they didn't win for the raffle. There we are. That's the last station before the end of the line. Duffos. I mean, what they could do is just travel to Buxton, come to my Evergreen, and stay on the previous line, and they can spend a weekend with me, and we can go out for an outing trip, and then spend a bit of time. But unfortunately, this weekend next few days I'm so damn busy. Not just if I got heritage tours, I just got worries to catch up my schedule. And I like heritage tours because my heritage tours are my dream come true for me since my childhood. You probably know where I found all this Thomas stuff.
Welcome aboard.
It's all modern these days.
Buxton. The next station stop is Buxton.
Gâteau, signore-toi, et gâteau, et toi, gâteau, signore-toi, et quoi, et toi. You craps. Okay. And why would John Upper do a silly thing like a student here, World Mind Championship, study minds, everything, and going to France the competition? And then he didn't even bother to read the back of the bloody letter. Well, good luck. Uh-oh. Who's your partner? No, your partner. It's just two lines. And you didn't read the back of the letter? You don't have a partner? Yellow distance board means we're approaching the end of the line. Yeah. Approaching Buxton now, the end of the line. Where the journey completes today.
Shortly be arriving at Buxton, where this train turns. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Alright, big boy. Give me over the bench.
Please report it to our team.
I got them. Well, get what you've got, Rufus.
Thank you for travelling with Morgan today. We hope you have a pleasant onward journey.
What time to depart? 44, okay, 44 past the alley. Right, we need to focus on one of them getting back. We're the 2:45. We're going to put that 2:45 back, or 2:45. We need to focus on that target. Timing is no efficiency. Not like Laura Batty does, Melvin does. Will you just... Josie, will you stop calling me Laura Batty? I'm not. Pete, I'm not. How do you know I'm Laura Batty? Because you got off topic on me all the time. Yeah, I understand. And I saw your post that you are very desperate to get back because you've got work. Can you post Nat also to try and get him on that route as well? Yeah, I understand she's got the but surely they can make it odd stuff just to make sure of it. I will do. Thanks. Alright, big boy. Get out of it. Get right out of the path. Whee! Yo, ow. Put it right in the old alley. I put it right you on the old alley. We'll both with this bonbon. The bonbon. Was that invented in 1949 though, mate? But and all those 156 still go, they're more unique in the Britain days. What a journey that was. And I got anxious need to get back because I need to get that quarter-2 or the quarter-3 train back, and I got work the next day, and that is most important on that list. Thank you. Enjoyment, much appreciate. Well, that's the chase done. Right, the chase is on.